Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a 3-part series on how to get to the moon and back in Space Flight Simulator. So we are going to start by building a rocket, and I'm going to basically tell you how to build a rocket to get to the moon and back. So first, just start out with a simple engine in the middle, just on the bottom. One of the big Hawk engines, as is it called, and you put big fuel cells, maybe like 3 at there, and then you're gonna start to want to do the sides. So you get like more engine, more power when you're first lifting off. And so you put those all there, and then you go down, you get these. These are for what's the word? The thing, I don't know, something in physics. It helps you go better. And then once that's done, just add a fuel source, and then you add what is called a connector or separator or whatever. And then that'll basically allow you to detach it so you don't have to carry all the extra weight when going around. So you add another engine there. Then add some more fuel cells. I think I might have made this a bit too tall. But I'll add a smaller engine here. And that is for space. So there's different types of engines and stuff you can use. Yeah, I'm going to swap that out real quick. Just because for what I'm going to use it for. Move that down a bit. And put that there. Oh, this might be a bit too tall. But when building your capsule, there's 2 ways to do it. There's a manned way, like with astronauts, and there's one that's just like probe. I usually do the astronaut way because I know how to do it that way better. And I've done it more often. You just put a heat shield under the thing like I have it there. And usually there'd be a parachute on top. Let me just fix this real quick, make it better. And it's still too high. Gotta fix it real quick. Let me get it. Oops, didn't mean to put that. Move all that down. And you see we have a heat shield there. We put that in between the connector and then the thing over top and then the parachute on top of that so it can come back down safely on Earth. And that is basically, that's all you need to do for a rocket ship. And you can add some other little features. I mean, like if you wanted to add a rover, that would be a one-way mission there. Let's see. What could I add to make this better? So yeah, you got your connectors. It's pretty nice. Oh yeah, I know what to add. I'll add these for when I land on the moon. So I can just stabilize my landing. We won't be there long. There's nothing really there anyway for us to do in our rocket. So that's basically it. And this should launch perfectly fine. I'll launch it in a bit, and I'll see you in part 2. Bye.